it's me. My name is Jacob. I'm Mr. Bleep 101. So, this is for me and my friends, I guess, if you want to see my face. So, anyways, Matt really wants Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. And, the thing is, he doesn't know we got it for him. So I'm going to go out in the living room. I'm going to tell him we got it, and hopefully he likes it. So here we go. Hey, Matt, guess what? You know what we got?
What?
Modern Warfare 3. Give me a hug. Do you like it? You want to play it?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Well, so what are you gonna play? You gonna play campaign or you gonna play online?
I'm playing online.
Alright, man. Have fun with the game, okay, man?
Right.